guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So today we will be doing a review video sort of, and first of all I'm really sorry for this uncertain sunlight that I'm facing today. Basically मैं दिन में शूट करती हूँ तो सनलाइट तो होता ही है, बट आज कुछ ज़्यादा ही अनसर्टेन है. ऐसा नहीं होता है, बट आई कैनॉट हेल्प इट. बट इफ़ आई इवन मूव इट विल really cause a problem today, so kindly bear up with me. Rather than that, hi you guys, I post content every week. I would like to request you to hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon. Just jump on towards the video. So this was a product basically. So this is the product, actually this is the pack, this is the product, yeah, sorry. So this is the product and this came in this box. मतलब इतना बड़ा सा बॉक्स में बस ये निकला और बहुत ज़्यादा ही रैप था. तो या आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम पर्पल बिकॉज नायका में इट वॉज अवेलेबल फॉर द फुल प्राइस ओनली. द MRP ऑफ दिस इज़ ₹600 एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर अराउंड ₹390 ओनली. सो या अगर इफ़ यू keep on checking the purple sale, you can definitely get it for ₹300 also. I saw once but I couldn't get at that point of time, so I got this one, and this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. I got it in the shade 330. It is my Maybelline Fit Me foundation shade. It is quite pigmented. मैं बहुत स्वेट करती हूँ तो मुझे लगा क्रीम फाउंडेशन से पाउडर फाउंडेशन may work a bit more because मैं जब बाहर जाती हूँ I don't apply foundation just because I sweat a lot. So I thought let's try this out. If this works then voila, we can wear foundation outside. ये सेम शेड है जो मैं फिट मी के लिए यूज़ करती हूँ. दिस फिट मी फाउंडेशन, liquid foundation, basically cream foundation, liquid foundation, whatever you call it, in the shade 330 toffee. This is also in the shade 330 toffee. I think this is the darkest shade available, and this is what suits me basically. Big difference between these two is that it comes with SPF 22 only, and this comes with SPF 32, which is a very great, and it is also normal to oily. So there is no such difference. I think quantity wise इसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा होगा इससे because ये थोड़ा सा ही है, and I am not pretty sure if this gonna work because मुझे ये Fit Me का compact जैसा ही लग रहा है. It also comes with this sponge वाला thing. So yeah, I also use the compact of Fit Me in the same shade 330 toffee. I think दोनों का शेड बहुत सेम है. अगर दोनों एकदम फॉर्मूला वाइज भी सेम हो, मुझे लग रहा है क्यों नहीं पता नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं क्यों लग रहा है कि ये थोड़ा सा लाइट है. As you can see, ये थोड़ा सा लाइट है. I don't know whether it will actually suit my skin tone or not. अगर आप ये देखते हैं then it's quite darker than this one. Let's just try this out, and if I'll compare between these two also, if we'll see that we can easily make it work as a foundation or not. So without any further ado, let's just jump on and let's try this product. And also to try this product basically I got myself a foundation brush. This is the first time I'm using foundation brush. I went for the Swiss Beauty foundation brush. It is for the MRP ₹229. I also got it from Purple only just to try this out. And basically मुझे एक फाउंडेशन ब्रश चाहिए भी था because I don't own one. और कि मैं पैक वाला लेती हूँ, लेकिन पैक वाला was quite expensive, like ₹600 जा रहा था. So I thought नहीं, let's just try this out. It is very beginner friendly even, and I really saw and heard really good reviews about this, and the bristles are quite soft. This is what I like about it, and I think it will be very easy to clean also and easy to blend also. And I think now if it works, it can be very handy to your in this Blue Heaven primer, flawless makeup primer. I'll take a little amount only. I have washed my face. Make sure you wash your face whenever you try to or you apply makeup. Try to क्या होता है. Hi guys, so I thought that I'll not be doing a voiceover in this video because I have been doing voiceover since many videos now. But here we are because जब मुझे शूट करना होता है तभी आस पड़ोस में सबको आवाज़ करना होता है. एंड ऑल्सो जस्ट विजयदशमी गया ही था, तो सब विसर्जन के लिए जा रहे थे, तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही म्यूजिक एंड यूजिंग 3 things. One is this Dab Beauty Blender, this foundation brush and this makeup sponge. You can say that came along with this. Yeah. So let's just firstly begin with the makeup sponge. So I have just prepped up my face using a primer. The primer I use is from Blue Heaven, just to hide my pores or fill my pores and then give it a smooth finish. Now I'm using this powder foundation from Fit Me in the shade 330 Toffee, which is eventually very light for me. It is quite light for my skin shade. No, it is actually quite lightness. As you can see, it is quite light. Now I just tried blending it with my Swiss Beauty foundation brush and see if it works, but it was really light. I really don't know where did I go wrong, because I ordered the right shade and everything, but still I was just trying to blend it. Don't feel. Then I thought कि foundation brush से तो काम नहीं बन रहा, let's just use a Dab Beauty Blender. ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही लाइट है. एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ना मैं गिव अप कर चुके थे कि भाई नहीं करते, वीडियो बंद करते. बट आई थॉट कि जब ले ही लिए हैं, लेट्स जस्ट डू इट. सो आई टुक मोर प्रोडक्ट इन माई फाउंडेशन ब्रश, स्टार्टेड अप्लाइंग ऑल ओवर माई लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द फेस. यू कैन से या लेफ्ट और राइट, लेफ्ट ही है, हाँ लेफ्ट. Still it was not working. Means I was trying my level best कि ये काम कर जाए, but it was not working. And I really don't like the foundation which doesn't match the skin shade. Basically I don't think anyone likes that, because then it doesn't make you feel like a second skin. But yeah, it just feel awkward. But yeah, but I think ना कि ये टाइम के साथ थोड़ा सेट डाउन हो रहा था. But still I was not feeling it. I was totally not feeling it. I was totally very disappointed, because I just spent 400 rupees. Around 400 is 390, 400 ही पकड़ लो. But it was not giving the thing that I wanted. But still I thought कि let's just continue and see. जो भी output आएगा we will manage it together. Finally I thought कि ये full face पे नहीं लगाया जा सकता मेरे से. So I finally took my Fit Me Compact in the same shade, but it was way darker than the previous one, of course. So I followed the same process. I took some on my foundation brush and just started applying it, but eventually वो ज़्यादा coverage नहीं दे रहा था foundation brush से. But it was same as my skin shade, so yeah, I liked it. So then I thought कि let's just take the sponge that was available on the powder foundation and just grab some excess product. As you can see कितना shade difference है. And I'll be applying this. I took the product in the sponge and started applying it, or basically dabbing it, and then I'll be blending it over using foundation brush or beauty blender. You can use any. If you want, you can also use this to blend, but I was very spectacle about it. And this make me remember of the time we used to use that makeup kit, that fake makeup kit जिसमें compact भी होता था, shadow भी होता था, blush भी होता था, lipstick भी होता था. Basically it was our all-in-one makeup kit. It is so nostalgic, but I don't know if you have used it. If you have used it or seen तो होगा ही, because I think ये बहुत popular था कुछ time पहले. But oh my god, this compact powder finish is insane. It matches my skin shade, it blends smoothly, it gives no creases, it will not make your skin feel heavy. It is very lightweight, and most importantly it blends like a dream. I was totally shook with this experience. I really liked it. The powder foundation are quite lightweight. It feels nice and it doesn't seem that you have applied anything. But I think अगर वो powder foundation इस shade का होता, then तो it would be the best thing. I'd be using that daily. But no, I think I'll be using the compact now as my foundation base when I'll be going out in sun. I thought let's just complete the look. So I'm using this Blue Heaven concealer in the shade Toffee 501. I'll be applying in both of the sides. I always apply concealer in a lifted mode. Basically in a lifted way that makes your face look lifted. I don't apply in inverted way. It covers and it gives full coverage, but it creases easily. Always try to use the point, that is less is more. Take less product and blend it. Let the blending do the magic. It will really uplift your way use. It will not make your makeup look cakey and उतना पसीना आएगा तो दिक्कत भी नहीं होगा ज़्यादा. So using the same that beauty blender, I'm just blending it over. So finally we are done with our concealer, but still I was not at all happy. So I thought ki let's just set our makeup using this Blue Heaven setting powder or loose powder, whatever you can say. I'll take a little bit of amount and just set my under eyes. Usually even set my T-zone because this is the area where I sweat really a lot. After applying setting powder, let it stay at least for a minute or two and then brush it off or blend it over using, I think brushing it off makes more sense. Now finally at this point of time I am thinking what am I doing actually. Now just to finish, I am here applying my NY Bay lipstick. It is a very good matte lipstick. इसको मिटाने में बहुत टाइम लगता है. It can only remove easily with micellar water. If you try to remove it with normal water or face wash, it will take a really good long time. So yes, it is a very good lipstick. So guys, we are done with this look. I'm still not very sure with that powder foundation, but I think the compact looks more natural though. So guys, as you can see, I have used both this one. This is the compact and this is the powder foundation. So in this side I have used this powder foundation and on the right side I have used this one. This is the Fit Me 330 Toffee compact powder. ये बहुत लाइट था. बेसिकली ना अभी कंपैरिजन वीडियो बन गया है, लेकिन मुझे करना था बस रिव्यू वीडियो. बट ये बहुत लाइट था. जब मैं पहली बार लगाया आई गॉट इट. अगर मैं पूरा फेस पे लगा दी दें तो आई लुक लाइक ए सो आई लुक लाइक ए भूत बेसिकली. सो ये बहुत लाइट है, बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट है मेरी स्किन शेड के लिए. लेकिन दिस इज़ समवेयर इज़ लाइक द बेस्ट वन. इट्स मैचेस माई स्किन शेड एकदम ही नहीं कर रहा. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट बोथ ऑफ दिस दैट आपको ये स्वेटी नहीं फील करा रहा. इफ़ यू आर लाइक ऑयली स्किन लाइक मी, उतना ज़्यादा स्वेटी आपको फील नहीं कराएगा. बट I think you should go to the store and get this one, then only you can get the right shade maybe. But this is not worth your ₹600 or even ₹300 also, because बहुत ही light कर दे रहा है. Where you can use this as your powder foundation and I think it will work the best also, and I really like it, to be very honest. It is also for ₹300 or 350 only. It is for ₹480 and I really like this one. This is a pressed powder. It is a compact powder or pressed powder. I don't know. Really like the finish here. As you can see, it looks like a second skin only. I really like it, but ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा लाइट है. अगर इसका और इसका शेड मैच होता then maybe it gonna be like a bomb product. But शेड की वजह से I think this would सूट लाइक ए फेयर स्किन टोन. मतलब 2 to 3 शेड पीपल हु आर फेयर देन मी. मतलब मेरे स्किन, अगर आप मेरे से डार्क हो या फिर मेरे से थोड़े से भी लाइट हो ना, तब भी आई डोंट थिंक दिस विल वर्क फॉर यू. आप मेरे से अगर 2-3 या 3-4 शेड लाइटर हो देन आई थिंक दिस वुड वर्क द बेस्ट फॉर यू. इट गिव्स लाइक ए बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस. आई थिंक स्वेटी नहीं हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा केकी हो रहा है, बट यू नीड टू फिक्स इट अप. Other than that, I would really suggest you, अगर आप मेरे शेड के हो या फिर मेरे से थोड़ा डार्क हो, then go for this one. Like it. What is your views on it and what do you want me to review next? Kindly comment down below. So my gems.